Use this meditation to make your specific person let everyone know that you are with them and show you off. After this meditation, they will no longer try to hide you from their friends or family, and they will post you on all their social media. Please be careful with this meditation. This meditation is extremely powerful and will drastically change the dynamic of your relationship to everything that you desire. Now let's begin. They show me off all the time. They are proud to be near me now. They are proud to be in my life now. They are glad that they are a part of my life. They are glad that the two of us are together now. They are eager day by day to show the whole world that me and them are together now. They are proud that I am theirs now. They are proud that I belong to them now. They are proud that they have all of me only to themselves. They are proud being with me in public all the time. They like showing me off to the public. They make it official with me now. They brag about being with me to everyone now. They treat me so kindly. I have all of their heart now. They consider me a gift from the universe. Day by day, they become more and more greedy for my love. They want to rub it in everyone's faces that me and them are together now. They reach out to me because they love me and they feel lonely when I am away from them. They want to tie the knot with me now. They want to show me off to everyone today. They show me off on all their social media. They are protective of me. They respect me so much. They feel so damn lucky to have me in their life now. Day by day, they picture their future with me. They believe I am theirs. They take me out all the time. They buy me everything I want. They are eager now to introduce me to their family, friends, acquaintances, and everyone they know. Day by day, they are more connected to me. They treat me like I am the Holy Grail now. They show me off on all of their social media now. They feel so connected to me all the time. They treat me like I am the only one in their life now. They showcase how much they love me in front of everyone. They put me on display day by day. They flaunt about being with me to everyone. They boast about loving me to everyone all the time. Type, they feel so damn lucky to have me in their life now to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, you can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.